J.D.s phone service by Dakota and Jasmine. This is Mr. Nord PM class. We love our customers.
We love our customers.
Our slogan is, are you ET? Well, take a phone home. The location is the Woodlands. We will be serving everyone.
We are awesome. Come to our store and recommend us as awesome. Who's awesome? Are you awesome?
So if you want different types of phones, you won't have to go to all of the different phone stores to buy the phones you want. Smart idea, huh? And if you are hungry, you can eat there too. It's like a phone store and a food court. Plus, the food is free.
What time our service is open? On Mondays, it's open 9 o'clock a.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. On Tuesdays, it's open 11 o'clock a.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. On Wednesdays, it's open 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. On Thursdays, it's open 9 o'clock a.m. to 8 o'clock p.m.
On Friday, it's open 9 o'clock a.m. to 7 o'clock p.m. On Saturday, it's open 11 o'clock a.m. to 6 o'clock p.m. And on Sunday, it's open 12 o'clock p.m. to 5 p.m.
Materials. We have phones. We need phones, water dispenser cooler, water, box of chips, cups, lemonade dispenser, pickles, Android charger, iPhone chargers, iPad dual charger, iPad charger, headphones, Beats, earphones, and Bluetooth.
Our cost. The water dispensers is $169 times 2, that will equal $338. The packs of water is $2 times 10, that will be $20. The box of chips is $10.34 times 6, that will be $62.04. The cups is $5.97 times 6 equals $35.82.
The lemonade dispenser is $19.96 times 2, which equals $39.92. Pickles are $2.50 times 3 equals $7.50. Android charger is $1.99 times 100 will equal $199. iPhone charger is $1.89 times 100 will equal $189.
The iPad digital charger is $29.95 times 5 equal $149.95. The iPad charger is $5.99 times 100 is $599. The iPod charger is $10.49 times 100 is $1,049. The headphones is $20.62 times 20 equal $412.04. The Beats are $197.21 times 20 equal $3,944.
The earphones are $12.25 times 20 equals $245. The Bluetooth earphones are $34.99 times 10 will equal $349.09.
The charge. The Android charger are $5.23. The iPhone charger is $6.23. The iPad digital charger is $102.45. The iPad charger is $6.23. The iPod charger is $7.50.
The headphones are $10.35. The Beats are $104.32, and the earphones are $20.43.
Our sponsors is T-Mobile, Cricket, Sprint, AT&T, Virgin, Metro, PCS.